Hello guys, today I have got NOMAD Stratos Band and I am going to show you how you can easily install this band on your Apple Watch. So as you can see here, we've got our watch. This is Apple Watch Ultra 2. And this, let's start with this part of the band. This is the bottom part. But before mounting this band on your Apple Watch, I need to recommend you one thing. Divide this band into two parts because it's just easier. So push this buttons right here and move this part to the top and this one to the bottom. So once we are here, this part without this NOMAD logo goes to the top of your Apple Watch. You need to just put it like this. Okay, not from this part. You need to do this from the left to the right. Here, as you can see, we've got this hole, and here we need to match the fit for that and put it like this. That's it. Do we have it locked? Don't do anything else. Just you need to just match this. This is the bottom, this is the top, and here you need to do this until you hear a click. Here we've got it mounted perfectly. Don't push any buttons, don't do anything like, stupid. Here we've got the second part, so we need to mount it the same. Just slide it in. And we've got it done. Here, now we can take on our Apple Watch. And as you can see, here I've got NOMAD logo and the top of our Apple Watch. It's aligned perfectly. That's it. Bye.